How to create a logo in Canva on PC. This tutorial shows you how to design a professional-looking logo right from your browser. First, open your browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. From there, click the search bar at the top and type in logo. After that, click logo from the search results to open the logo canvas. At this point, browse through the templates on the left side panel and click on one that matches the style you're going for. You can also start from a blank canvas if you prefer. Following this, click on any element to select it and start customizing. Edit the text to your brand name, swap out colors to match your palette, and resize or reposition elements as needed. From here, click on the text to change the font. Browse through the available options at the top toolbar and pick something that fits the personality of your brand. After that, if you want to add icons or graphics, click Elements on the left side panel and search for something relevant to what your logo represents. Once you're happy with the design, click Share at the top right of the screen. Finally, click Download and select PNG as your file format. PNG is the best choice for logos as it keeps the edges clean and supports transparency. That's how you create a logo in Canva on PC. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials.